Okay, are we live on YouTube or no? Can you guys see me? Those on YouTube, what's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up? Can you hear my voice? We have,
Yeah, I think it's live there.
yeah, it's live now. Let me refer the link. All right, so we are live again. How is everyone doing? There's a lot to do. Olushola, how are you doing? Desmond, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Aisha, how are you doing?
Afternoon.
Maxwell,
Good, bro.
Good.
Karim, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm
Onyx,
good.
Onyx, I see you. Ems, I see you. Michael, I see you. Cephas, I see you. Joe, I see you.
Problem with that is you enter a buy right now. Let's say that you guys entered a buy at that wick. All of a sudden, it's going to start to wick back
Alright,
down.
so let's start. Crazy. Alright, so as usual, we always start with cryptocurrencies. Do go talk about some Forex pairs. We start with Forex pairs by checking the news, then go talk about some synthetics, then definitely we do talk about stocks. Yes, US 30, then we end for the day as usual, always. Right, so I shared a signal to the page, so I think more people didn't join today, but let's see. Everyone will be feeling reluctant to come as usual. If there's Emmanuel, how are you? Joe, how are you? Michael,
I'm all right.
all right, cool. So let's
I'm very
start.
well, champ. Very well, champ. How you doing, too?
I'm very, very fine. So, guys, those on the live video, kindly like the video, right? Kindly like the video and tell me where you are from. Kindly like the video and tell me where you are from. I'm from Russia. I'm not from Ghana. I'm in Russia. But I'm from Ghana. Desmond, where are you from? Chooks, Nigeria.
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria.
How far now? How they be?
Well,
Wait,
just there.
wait till they swap.
Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
Very good. Cool. All right. So this is Bitcoin. Let's talk about BTC first. Let me give you an update on BTC. All right. Let's talk about BTC before we do talk about. Let's talk about BTC before we do talk about something else. So Bitcoin, yesterday I reminded you guys that Bitcoin, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. Why? Because it's still consolidating on the bigger time frame, right? You can see markets having series of what? Up, down, lows, highs, lows, high lows, high lows, right? So it's still consolidating, right? Until it breaks above this whole zone, right? Until this key, resistance breaks. If it breaks above this whole zone, let's say 64,500, I'll be bullish on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is hasn't still broken above that. It's still ranging. And if it breaks below this 58k, I'll be looking for more shorts still 49k. So we are still waiting on Bitcoin. No entries, no signal shared on Bitcoin, right? And no, I'm not going to give any coins or any altcoins for you guys to invest in, right? I'm just going to chill up on Bitcoin, right? So no investment on Bitcoin, no calls or no signals are going to be shared on cryptocurrencies for now. We still keep waiting because the movement of Bitcoin would definitely affect how other markets would also move. Do you get it? The movement of Bitcoin also affect how other markets would move, right? So let's be patient on Bitcoin. After Bitcoin, breaks out either to the upside or to the downside, that is when we would kind of predict the move of Bitcoin. Now let's go to Forex. Starting with our news. What news are we expecting? So today today is Thursday. So Thursday we are going to be having the OPEC news. I'm going to talk about it, and we also have the GBP news, which occurred I think 7 o'clock. Right. I think 30 minutes ago. I don't know what happened there. We are going to see what happened there, and we are going to see whether we are going to grab some opportunities there. But this was a ranging news. We had a hawkish news. We have another. The news are in sequence, right? The news are in sequence. So we have another news on GBP coming, which has already even come. Like it's already in. Like it came in like 10 minutes ago. Okay,
Yeah,
it was
like
hawkish.
20 minutes ago.
Yes, 10 minutes ago. It was hawkish.
It moved the market though.
It's moved the market. Yeah. So let's go check on GBP USD and
Downside.
see what's going on there.
Mhm.
All right. So GBP USD. Whoa, that's a drop right there.
Yes.
That's a drop right there. So
What down
news was hawkish, right? But there's a drop. Many people will be asking, Elvis, you said when we see hawkish news, we should buy. Why is this selling now? It's very simple. Market always sometimes goes for shorts before it longs. It happens, right? It's really happens. Really happens. Sometimes it happens. So this is GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame, looking bullish to me. I'll be looking for buying opportunities now. So let's buy GBP USD. Why am I buying GBP USD? One rate test, second rate test, another rate test here, and I think it's going to have a pullback above this zone, right? It's going to reject this zone, and market is going to come up or something, right? So I'm expecting buys on GBP USD. If this is a downtrend, so downtrend, looking for series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So definitely there must be a lower high, right? So I'm looking for bullish, and the news is also hawkish, right? Market sometimes dumps before it buys. We understand that. So let's look for buying opportunities on GBP USD. How are we going to buy this?
We buy now.
Yeah, let's see. Or we should wait. Yes, I think we should buy now. Buy GBP USD now. You will be looking for 100 pips movement on GBP USD. We'll be looking for 100 pips movement on GBP USD. So this is what we are going to do. Right, so let's do this. Buy GBP USD now. There's no confirmations, or we should wait for confirmation. It could also be a breakout. What do you guys think?
Yeah, we should wait for the confirmation before.
You can wait for confirmation.
Let's check for confirmation.
Yeah.
Let's wait.
Yeah, I think we should wait for confirmation.
Let's wait.
Right, because
because the market has not settled.
Yeah, it hasn't settled, and there could be a breakout. So let's wait on GU. So if you are going to wait for confirmation, that means you are going to be using Is
Buy
it
stop.
buy stops? Great. You're going to be using buy stops, yeah. Okay, so let's use buy stops on GU. We are waiting for confirmations on GU. We can wait for
Bro, the
buy.
first TP in US 30 is close to it.
Yes, US 30 TP1 hit. We'll talk about US 30 later. But I still have a feeling we should just buy it. I don't know. Or we should wait for confirmation. Maybe I'm not being patient today. I'm from Ghana. Okay, great. All right, so let's just wait for confirmation. We are going to put buy stops here above this wick, yeah. Okay, let's do it that way. My boss Jonathan is saying we should wait for confirmation. Let's just wait. Okay, so buy stops on GU. Buy stops on GU. First trade. Oh. Okay, so buy stops on GU. You can see GU is selling. We'll talk about gold too, guys. Don't worry, we are going to talk about gold. So buy stops on GU at 1.35768. Right. Buy stops at yes, at 1.38, and our TP would be tagged because it's not confirmed. You can see it's still selling. So there's no confirmation we should go for a buy. So I'm still not really bullish on it. Let's just wait for confirmation. That's why we are using buy stops, and our TP should be somewhere. Let's target 100 pips. Let's target 100 pips. So our TP will be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Right. Eight. So TP on GU would be yes, we're definitely going to talk about gold. I'm really loving gold nowadays.
Yeah.
748. That's like 100 pips. GU. Right, and we are going to put stop loss at where stop loss should be placed. 40 pips stop loss. What price is that? Can someone, I don't know whether Yalbi is here, he can do the type, or Maxwell can also do the typing on the stop loss at 1.35366. 40 pips plus. Right. So this is how we would be able to await confirmations on GU. So TP 1.3748, buy stops at 1.35768 and stop loss 1.35366. We are risking 40 pips for 100 pips. Looks like a good deal. Okay. So that's going to be our first trade on GU. I'm looking for buying opportunities on GU because market has retested the lower lows, right? And the news was hawkish. So definitely I'm looking for buying opportunities. Yeah. Gabriel Yankee, in fact, you are God sent. Thank you, my bro. All right, so let's quickly copy this and move on to the next trade. TP is on the screen, 1.367428. Kindly look at the screen. Someone can type it for you. Glenn. Let's hurry with the typing, with the copying the trade. Let's hurry with it. Those on the Zoom, if you are done, let me know so we move on to the next thing.
Yeah, it's done.
Done. Who else?
Yeah,
Who else is
done.
You can try it on your demos, okay? If those on the live, you can try it. Definitely try it on the demos. All right, let's go to the next trade. So that's why I'm looking for buying opportunities on EU. I wanted to go for buy by market structure, but on a second thoughts, my guys advised me. That's why they are on the Zoom, right? That's what they are here to tell me that, boss, do it this way, and I also listen to them, right? These are gurus over there: Onyx, Karim, Archie, Desmond, Jonito. These are crazy guys. Asante, those guys, Emmanuel, Cephas. These are great traders here. So Olushola too, yeah, of course. So they are saying we should wait, yes, and I listened to them. We waited. We would have been at loss now, so it's best we wait. So buy stops, first trade. Let's move on to the next trade. I don't know what you guys want us to trade. Let's go to gold. Quickly, let's go to gold. What is up? Whoa, gold.
Like,
Whoa.
that was crazy.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Still respecting this other trend. Let's see if it's...
Now look at this. This was something that we explained yesterday.
Still buying hard.
God is doing the Lord's work.
As in. Wow.
Whoa. I'm really surprised, man. Like, yo. All right, so yesterday, if you joined us, we caught this 9 sells. We took our TP very early at TP at 1774. We took it very early. We were expecting 150 pips. I think we had it. And yesterday we were expecting another 150 pips. TP was around 1785. I still came out to post signal to you guys that, yo, gold is coming here. If you had it, fine. If you didn't take it, to all good. Today's another day. Let's see what gold has to offer us. So gold is playing respecting channels, right? It's respecting channels, right? Are we going to be looking for buying opportunities today? Selling opportunities today? I would say nope, because this is a big candle. Look at this candle. I wouldn't quickly sell gold. This is a very big candle. The first rule of candle behaviors or candle formations is never sell against a big candle. Right? When I say never sell against a big candle, always wait for that big candle to close. If there's a big candle on the H4, wait for the big candle to close and you see another candle open. That candle would either be an indecisive candle or a dodgy candle before it sends it back, right? Or either big candle always becomes smaller. What is the meaning of this? When a big candle becomes smaller, what is the meaning of this? When a big candle becomes smaller like this,
the momentum is
yes,
decreasing.
the momentum is decreasing. Buyers are losing what momentum, or we are losing buyers here, so we should be looking for sales here. So I don't think this is the right time to be looking for sales. We can only look for sales if
Maybe we can have a breakout.
yes, maybe we can also possibly have a breakout. Very, very possible
Go
to
break.
somewhere here.
Yes.
Yes, we can also have a breakout. So I don't think we should be looking for just sales here, because we are playing in between channels, right? I knew gold was coming here, but I didn't know that it was, going to be something. We are going to expect something huge like this.
I had target of 1785.
Yes, I also targeted 1785 and I left. All right, so let's still wait on gold. Beautiful, man. This is beautiful. So it's still playing around the trend line. Let's see if it respects the trend line and sell again. But I don't want us to, sell against this candle. It's going to be risky, because market could also have a breakout or a break, retest, and goes up, right? So let's be patient on gold. All right, gold lovers. I'm also a gold lover now. Let's be patient on gold. Now let's go talk about US30. I did post a signal on US30. Why did I? Yesterday we had 120 points on US30. Let's delete it because that's yesterday. And later, I think I did post a signal on the VIP. How many pips did we get on VIP yesterday? Those on my VIP.
160.
160 points, yeah. We caught 160 points on US30 yesterday. So today,
After
what?
the Apple message.
Yes, that was I traded the FOMC news. Tomorrow is NFP, don't forget. So tomorrow I think we would be having the session pretty much early, and we are going to trade for just 30 minutes. We're just going to trade the FOMC news and we are done trading for the day. Just one spike, we get our money and we are done. So tomorrow we are going to have this session very, very early, and when we are done, we just go away. So sell stop on GU first trade, US30. I'm looking for selling opportunities, not because of any news, right? But because these wicks are kind of rejecting on the H4. If market refuses to, exactly, it's kind of rejecting that zone. So I'm in sales on US30. Let's sell US30. I think I posted that signal. And yes, great. We hit TP1 already.
Did you sell here in US30 the retracement?
Pardon?
Did you sell the retracement in US30?
No. I bought US30 yesterday and I slept.
No, I'm talking about the last signal.
Which last signal?
Sell. You posted you said sell US30.
Yes.
In the please why? Why exactly?
Why am I saying sell US30? You wanted to buy. I said sell US30. That's what I explained, right? You can see these rejections.
Yes.
Price is failing to break, these rejections, and these rejections cause for,
Okay.
markets going down. You can see it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Rejection, another rejection. So it's price is rejecting around this whole trend. This is not any news, right? I only traded the news yesterday, but this is not any news or any big gimmicks, just TA. I hate trading US30 with technical analysis though. I do hate trading it with technical analysis. GU, what's happening on GU? Maybe we could the rejection could come up, then maybe we hit our buy stops and we get the vibes. Let's look at that. What's the stop loss for the GU trade? That is it, 1.35366, 40 pips. So DXY is pumping, guys. DXY it hasn't been really consistent recently. It goes came down, pulled up, came down, pulled up. It's been ranging, right? So DXY hasn't been consistent, but let's see if DXY is pushing up, stocks fall. So let's see if US30 would fall. So I'm in sales on US32. If
Elvis, I'm still on DX, so I think.
you and sell on DXY, so I think US30 would push. Let's see. It's also very possible. Very possible. If I get 200 points on US30, I would be very grateful. I'll just leave the market. GU, I traded GU with 4-hour time frame. That is why the reward was kind of 100 points, 100 pips. Sorry, I'm used to saying points.
Because you trade stocks.
Yeah. I'm used to saying points. If we could even get US30 to 960, won't be bad. Won't be bad at all. So if one hit on the VIP, something like this. What other pair do you guys want I should trade? I always say that I'm trading gold and US30 because.
Yeah, I think I'm looking at silver, but since we don't trade silver,
let's look at silver. We would trade silver. I love to trade everything, anything that will bring us money. Let's trade silver. Nice. Silver always follows gold. I learned that from Ashi and Asante yesterday. I never trade silver, but they say it's a nice pair. Is it nice?
Nice. Very nice.
Very
I only
nice.
traded this once.
Right. And what was the results?
it
It was nice. It was nice.
Like, silver has a lot of volatility. Like,
Wow, I
it
never
moves
knew.
very
I don't trade silver, so I don't know how it's. All right, so silver. Let's look at silver. Silver, kind of having a breakout.
That's yeah.
That is why I didn't want us to trade,
Good.
gold today.
I think they both follow each other.
So yes, so it correlates with silver. I now know that. So if I'm in a buy position on gold, I'll come looking for buying positions on silver too. You make the money double. If you lose it double.
Bye.
You cry double. Alright, so this is kind of having. I don't think we should trade this. Let's just wait for this candle has closed, making it more interesting. So if this rejects above or breaks this level, I think it's going to be bullish, very bullish. It's going to be a parabolic move to the next, to this level, and that could be let's put our confirmations there. Horizontal line. If price could break above this, we are going to be seeing buying opportunities on silver till here, and that could be about
20.
That could be about
Wow.
420 calculated with this unit, 420 pips. So let's see, makes sense.
I could keep money trying.
Always. Another trade on JPN 225.
Hey, Asante, now you are trading these pairs more than even me. JPN 225 is Nikki. I used to trade it, but man,
I'm still some in sales because that's reached it. That's breaking it.
You are looking for sales on Nikki. If you're looking for sales on Nikki, why are you looking for buys on US30? Nikki moves with US30.
Oh, okay.
But
I think
gold
it
is
had
doing the exact same thing silver just did.
right. We'll come back to check on good. So this was, I think, a break and what retest and went up. Let's see. There's no confirmation here to go for a sell.
Ricky.
Like there's no confirmation. That's Nikki 225. It's the Japanese stocks. When I say Japanese stocks, it's just like US 30, the US stocks. Mention the stocks. Germany 30, the German stocks.
UK 100.
Good, the UK 100, the
the
UK
Euros.
stocks.
We have the Euros as well, and the
US is the whole Europe, right? They have this
Frankfurt.
one stocks. Frank 40 is the stocks for France, but I only trade US 30. The rest I sometimes trade them. I'm loving us more. The Australian,
Yeah.
it's very fun. Was 200.
200.
Very very fun.
Okay. I think you gave a call on it.
Yes, I gave a call on the stock page.
Yeah.
Though it's very slow, but it's nice. It's a nice pair. If you have less funds like $200, trade this. You hardly blow your account because it doesn't really move like US. I love US because it moves, but nowadays
Very volatile.
it's been a bit tricky. It's been a bit tricky. Nowadays it's been a bit tricky. Alright, so what's happening on GU? Still selling, right? This is why the buy stops was needed. This is why the buy stops was needed. Still selling.
No. I'm not very well.
Obviously, did you see what happened on US oil? The sales that we took.
No, I don't watch
It
US.
went down. It went down like mad.
Yeah, the sales that we took. Wow. Sell US oil, nice. 100 points. It even went for even more than 300 points. Wow.
This has been long, right?
This was, I think, Monday. We took this call Monday.
Yeah. And you asked us to close later on, I guess.
Yeah.
I actually left it on my demo. It's
for demo accounts, no emotions, so it's really fun trading there. So I think US oil should be buying. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
Let me delete these whole tests. Looking at what I'm seeing, should buy back to this.
Yeah, and then sell.
Then maybe sell or have a breakout. If you're going to buy, we could get 100 pips. What do you guys think? Should we take this call or we should leave it?
Let's leave it for the sell.
I think
The
it's,
sell will be a
Yeah,
great
let's
chance.
leave it for the sale, exactly.
Let's just leave it for this.
I think
It
it's
doesn't get.
Oh, I would have loved to scalp this. Okay, this should be for scalpers, but my guys or my advisors are saying let's leave this for a sell. So we could be selling this from here. Could be selling this from here. So maybe we'll be using sell limits. But
Yeah.
bro, look, this candle is big. It's very huge. So I
Yeah.
think it's good. Maybe push up or let's just wait. Let's just
Yeah,
wait.
let's-
So we'll put a sell limit. Once we get a sell limit, we'll put a sell limit somewhere here.
Or you can use the alert system on the trading view. Then when you get alert,
Nah. I don't,
Yeah.
I don't use that. I don't like that. That's something I don't do that. I already have a lot of notifications from my girlfriends. Many of my girlfriends. Jonito gave me a lot of girls
Ah,
from Nigeria, and they've been worrying me.
hey, really?
They've been worrying me. So
Something huge coming.
Something huge is
another
coming.
huge one.
My boss, good day.
Precious, what's up?
Fine. I ran some errands for money. I just came back.
I think there should be a nice scalp buy. It's 100 points. That's $100. Are we sleeping on this? Hey, man.
Sorry, Elvis, what do you want to do?
Now we want to scalp this for a buy.
Why don't you allow it to touch the trend line then still?
Okay. You also saying the
that's the
same
one
thing.
supposed to
Okay,
scalping.
cool. All right, my bosses. So, guys, my advisors are saying let's wait for it to touch this, and we will go first. So we are looking for. Be watching US oil for me, guys.
Yeah, I'm watching it. I'm on it.
But these candles are long, so set a sell.
Let's sell limit to be better.
Yeah, the candles are long.
Am I saying squid? Okay.
Yes, should we long Squid Game too?
Please, we beg. We beg.
I remember. It's making me remember the token which was robbed.
Yeah, that's it. This is the Squid Games app.
Yeah. It was robbed.
Yeah.
I think it was 0. No market this thing again.
And came back here. People will be saying there's a gap here, so let's buy. Okay.
Be there.
All right, let's go look at GU. And you look at gold
Do you
again.
buy?
What?
And gold is soft.
Gold wouldn't. Let's see. It's all. There's a big candle. Look, this even makes it more bullish.
Yeah.
Why would you? I always tell, don't never sell against big candles. Never. If you're watching this, never sell against big candles. It could sell probably, but man, it could maybe. Yes, this should. You could see this big sell. It closed, rejected, but there's no rejection here. That makes it more. Should have been some little rejections. Then we would have a bull. So let's see. If it sells to somewhere here, that means it's a confirmed sell. We would ride it here. We just need confirmation.
Take it back to where it's coming from.
Yeah, back to Bogota. It's all about being patient. GU moving up now. Let's see.
Please.
I think we should still wait a little bit.
Elvis, on my analysis on gold, I'm trying to put the sell limit at like 17. Because
that's right.
1785.
It's past 1785. This was our TP yesterday. We did hit our full TP.
Oh, I do. Wow.
Cool. So
wow.
I didn't want. We could have placed a sell limit here and we would have gone for another sell, but bro, trust me, this is a big candle. Let's just wait for confirmation. When we see some rejections back to 1785, we can ride it back here rather than risk. It now becomes gambling, right? I showed you a song, right? I showed you guys the song.
I was playing it yesterday.
Yeah, that song. a lot of things.
Let me
it's still on my last play.
What's the title of the song? Who remembers? If you guys listen.
Gambler. By
Wait, I want to show you some
Kenny Rogers.
Write the lyrics and read over and over.
Right.
This bar.
Yeah, that song. Kenny Rogers, Gambler. I don't like the song itself, but I like the lyrics. I don't know if these guys would hear, but I think there's a lyrics here. I just want to see.
Okay.
Okay, this is the part that I love so much. It says, you got to know when to hold them, know when to hold your trades, know when to fold them, know when not to even enter the market at all. I used to listen to this song when I was betting. I used to be a very, very big investor in betting. Know when to walk away. when I say know when to walk away, you guys understand, yeah?
Yeah.
Know when to take profits. Know when to say, okay, I'm done for the day. Know when to run. Sometimes the market, like what US oil is like what
Doing.
gold is doing. Look at gold. Gold is
Wow.
trying to convince us that okay, it has touched the trend line. So I know a lot of amateurs would be selling this market and they will hit stop loss and come and blame the brokers. Oh, it's a broker, it's a manipulation. But bro, this is a big candle. Why are you selling against a big candle? Do you get it? So when you see something like that, you run. You don't even look at it twice. Run. That's what the song is saying. You never count your money when you are sitting at the table. When you are making profits, trust me, you don't have time to even know how much you are having.
Very correct.
You don't have how much. You don't know how much. You are just trying to enter more. Let me enter more, and you have lots of positions. And the next thing you see is you've lost your profit.
Same thing happened to me yesterday. I think I blew my synthetic listing account. Stepping this.
Yes. I also did.
I had several this thing.
We'll talk about synthetics. We would wet our sorrows. Don't we wet our sorrows soon?
I have a question. If you have an answer for it,
there will be time. Okay. Ask your question.
Yes. Like it's like as if yesterday trade that report was how can DXY be bullish? Gold was bullish, US30 was bullish. Like
see, I was telling you guys this, right? When it comes to trading the news, the market doesn't care about your correlations. FOMC is a news, it's for fundamental traders. Gold was bullish, US30 was bullish. In a way, gold has to sell or US30 buys, or is either US30 sells and gold buys. But you could see they were all moving on the same pattern. And people were asking, why is this happening? It's news.
I was surprised.
When news comes into the market, forget about all your correlations. When FOMC is going bullish, all pairs are going bullish. You can see GU went bullish yesterday, somewhere here, and today's news sent it back. I think GU is getting ready.
GBP.
Okay, let's see.
Do you get it? So it is what it is. EU, should we scalp by EU too? Look at this. Someone is saying EU. Yeah, news doesn't care about anything. Aluani, news doesn't really care about anything. Look at this, held this, and is currently holding this. Or should just focus on EU, GU.
Yeah, let's focus on GU because like it's moving very fast and it's promising.
It's promising. That's the word. Promising. USDs are, you guys remember our sell stop is about to get triggered. So if you didn't take this trade, should we take this trade? Yes, sell stop on. We waited, I think, for 4 days on this trade. So USDs, if you didn't take the sell stop last time, let's take this. This is my first time trading this pair too.
I swear this is the first time.
This is my first time trading this pair. So let's see. Sell stop there at that price 15 17 634. We waited for almost 4 days just to take this trade. Yes, this trade is 30 for 80, 30 for 90. Yes, 1:3 risk reward ratio. Stop loss is 15 for 1253. Are we there? 60.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
so we have two trades. GU buys USD, ZAR sells. Can we check US30? Definitely, we would check US30. Definitely. I'm not running. I'm still here.
I was still need to observe gold. That's what we tell someone.
Pardon?
I said we need to observe gold if you sell somewhere.
Right, definitely. We are going to observe it.
Well, Elvis, you actually know that gold made you legend. Yes, you actually even posted it on Twitter. Sell, buy gold and use your tech data. Oh, that made you president or trading.
Come again. Come again.
I said you are supposed to be very popular right now, like be the president of trading, because you posted buy gold and you got the TP correctly, and you were like, even tech data, the confidence, everything was there.
And now, when you see me posting something like on my story, or when I come on the mentorship page, I buy this. Just know that I'm really sure about what I'm doing.
Man,
That one
Elvis
you can buy with your
Tell your property.
yeah, with all your property. I'm really sure.
It's a living
But you
legend.
wanted to explain why you were buys like early that week, and yesterday we can explain
Why what?
why you took the early buys on gold.
Why I took the early buys on gold? I think we did explain it here, right? Simple market structure. There was no news, right? Simple market structure.
Wow.
Uptrend changed into a downtrend with this confluence. Became a downtrend, right? Lower lows, lower highs, L, basic market structure. Now market is playing around this zone. We are not taking a sell. We are not taking sells yet because this could either be a breakout, right, or a break test goes up, or either becomes here. There are three things that we are looking at here. So we just want to be very sure. Okay, we just want to be very sure. Gold isn't really a sell, and like I said, because of this big candle, right? I've seen this before. This is by experience. I didn't read this in any book. That if you see a big candle, don't sell. It's just by experience. I've been shorting big candles and I've been losing. So why would I repeat the same thing here? That's why I said let's watch. I also love to trade gold. I also want to trade gold, but trust me, it's scary. Selling gold now. Elvis, please, I just joined. We are not buying like we are buying. We are waiting for confirmation. We are currently in US30 sales. We are currently in US30 sales, and GU, not buys, but buy stops. Not just buys, buy stops. Once it gets confirmed, it gets triggered, it will go up. If not, we are still here. We still wait. And we have another one on gold, on silver. You can see what has happened on silver.
Broke trend line.
Great, it has broken out. So normally people will be looking for shorts, but I would just be patient, waiting for the reaction of the candle. And I said that if market breaks above this, we are going to get what, 450 pips. This is 450 pips for you, just by you being patient. I don't trade silver. I've never traded silver, but this is basic market structure repeating itself. So it's all about being patient. We also agree that if silver really moves with gold, right, it's going to be worth it, guys. Let's just allow patience to play out.
We can check GG.
We can check what?
GPGPY.
GBP JPY. Okay, good. Let's check GBP JPY. I think it should be selling good. So I think same buyers as GU we would see. Same buyers as GU. Nice downtrend. I love trading the trend. I'm a trend trader, to be honest. If I don't see anything like a trend, I'm not trading. So let's await either this becomes a breakout. If there's a rejection above this, we'll take buys. Not buy stops, we are going to take buys. If there's a rejection above this or above that, we are going to take buys. Yeah, we are going to take buys. What's the signal on USD ZARL? USD ZARL. USD ZARL. Rand. Sell stops. This trade took allegedly how many days? We took this trade
Last week, Friday.
November 22nd, 29th November, and boom, it's today's 4th. Almost 5 days. So 5 days confirmation just to take an 80 pips trade. And imagine you wait 5 days just to lose. You would be crazy. Waiting 5 days just to lose, bruh. Alright, US 30, pay me. New York session. Yes, I'll definitely talk about synthetics, guys. Let's just finish with the New York session and really go into synthetics, because I have a lot of things to talk about on synthetics today. I have a lot to pour out.
Let me find it now, sir.
Start the synthetics you're talking about here, right?
In synthetics, I'm talking about them step index. Step index really took my full money yesterday.
Elvis, your money.
Oh, Elvis, you know that I'm not part of your.
It took some free salary.
Wow.
I'm not part of
You know, I normally, right, I'll explain something on step index. You guys would get it. Normally, right, I would share some nice gimmicks about that loss. I shouldn't have taken that L, but I feel like, this is going to be a false break. Let it just ride. But I was very tired at the same time. And you guys know I don't trade with stop loss. When I'm scalping, I don't trade with stop loss. So I was like, okay, I know this, I've seen this before. It should calm down. There should be a false break. And I slept. I woke up. Wow, I was like, whoa. I think I saw calls, messages before I even checked my account. I knew that, there's one particular woman that always, that one particular man that always tests me. When that man tests you, you know that it's things are going bad. So when I saw that message, I was like, hey, if this man has tested, then there's no joy. So I had to rush, check my account. I was like, normally when I lose, what do I tell myself? Whatever the market takes from you, you would get it back. It gives back. But sometimes it's not easy. You can work 3 months and lose all the 3 months salary to the market. And last time I remember I lost 40k instantly, and someone was telling me rubbish. You were the one that said what the market takes, it gives you. Nonsense. Sometimes, bro, don't lose money that way. But I apologize for that L, that big fat L. I slept. I was really asleep, and I couldn't announce that close positions because it gave a nice confirmation of a buy after some. I'll show it to you guys. I'll show you what I saw this yesterday. So let's look at for now. Let's focus on US 30. But it was really nice. It was a really nice drive on synthetics this week. We took one L, and that L was really fat. That L was really. We took 9 wins, 1 loss. 9 wins, 1 loss, but that 1 loss was really hard. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, please let's check NZJPY.
When it's time for US 30, you are talking about NZD. NZD was JPY.
Yeah, I'm still in profit though. I'm still looking for sales. Yeah.
Is it a confirmed trade, or we are now coming to check? We hungry, bro. You ask Olushola, we hungry. Nigeria is hard, though. Olushola, I want to tell him.
Yes, sir. It's hard, though.
It's hard. We want when you're not coming, say, let's check. What are we checking for?
You know, he's financial.
All right, so yes, he's looking for. So I think it's a very nice trade. Very nice trade. Yeah, looks like a sell. But is this going to be worth it if you're going to take a sell? Let's look.
But
Let's
I think
see.
it's like a late sell actually. I
A
think we
late
should
sell.
wait.
But
Yeah.
if it's 50 pips, we will take the sell. Oh my brother, 35
That's a
pips.
scam.
It's not worth it.
Not worth it, my brother. My brother, you should have told us somewhere here. Somewhere here, then we would have gotten.
Yesterday
70
I
pips.
was saying it, but you said this thing it's on holidays. So,
Yeah, JPY was on holidays. Yeah,
but I was still in trade. I'm still trading.
I was sweating. Alright, so 38 pips not worth it. Even if you're going to trade for 38 pips, where would we put our stop loss? 5 pips stop loss, or what? Or 10 pips? Let's go to US 30, moving down nicely. Moving down nicely. Gold should be pushing up. Is it? Okay, kind of playing around this zone, but you can see this rejection. I should send it more up. All right, New York session opens. Let's see. Pushing up, but this whole thing is ranging. We shouldn't have traded in this, but so let's see. Unless we're checking gold and be checking USD, ZARL, and those pairs. Okay. US 30. Wow. But I think we are up already 30 points, right? 30 points already in profits. Malabi saying, no wonder you ask if I was blind. I was blind just because I was trying to get clarification on how to join VIP group. Anyway, I just took it in good faith because I sure know nothing is wrong. All good, bro. I don't know what's going on. What's going on the chats? I don't get it. Who is saying who is blind? All right. We are up 30 points still. We are up 30 points still on US 30. Tomorrow is NFP, my favorite trading day of the month. Every day is an NFP if you're a fundamental trader. I always say this. So we are just waiting for breakouts below this zone, right? Breakout below it, and we try get the wholesales. I'm still watching gold though. You guys should be watching the other pairs too.
Okay, quickly, Elvis on crypto. Can you check SLP?
Yes, XRP. We'll check it. Let's just finish with US 30. Okay. XRP ripples.
No, XSLP, slow love portion.
Okay, SLP.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We would. SLP. Whoa. Okay, US 30 currently running 40 points. But let's check SLP before we come back to US 30. I'm expecting some breakout, which I want us to break out below this, then we take our profit quickly here. That's why I'm watching this trade.
Okay, then let's watch it after.
Are you in
after
it? Are you in it?
No, I'm not in USD. I don't.
That's why you don't feel the heat. People that Olufel, are you in it?
Yes, I'm in it.
I don't wonder.
I'm also in it.
I'm not in it too.
Mr. King was in.
Now, man, they trade USD to you not get hard.
All right.
Yeah, with the legend.
Okay. Okay. And nice. 60 points up. Nice. Go. Nice. 80 points up.
Raise prayer point up.
I just want 100 points and I'm out. Like, I just want 100 and I'm out.
Elvis, I want to ask a question. From that your entry level now, and you just imagine, I don't mean now, if you get to buy you were in the sale before, and this is a box started, then it broke to the upside. Would you have closed and enter it right?
No, I'm not. And I never was looking for a buy on USD today, especially when the news took it up. I was just looking for sales, and I showed you why I took the sales rejections. Nice. So we are going to take our 40p somewhere here, 50. That's going to be 120 points. Just 30 points left, and we are done with US30 for the day. Beautiful. 30 more points. We are done with US30 today. Please keep going down. What are you doing? Nah, bruh. Hey, let's go check SLP.
I like Elvis. He doesn't want to watch it.
I can't watch this shit. I just want to see my TP smashed. I can't watch this shit, bro. Alright, I can't watch that shit, bro. Just 30 points to hit TP, it reverses, man, crazy. Alright, SLP, wow. I never saw this. But how many
secured partials?
I never called out this trade. I never did. That's 290 points. Wow, I said points again. No, 290%. That's crazy. Bro, congrats. I didn't take this trade. I didn't know about this. So what do you say we should check here?
No, I was even thinking if I should what is it called? Like wait for a retest then buy. But then it's actually been accumulating down there for a very long time before it did.
I remember declining. If you guys remember crypto, declining stage, accumulating stage, advanced. So man, it has a long way to go. It's a good coin. Let's wait for breakout above this. It could give you let's see how much can it give you? US30, don't hear me, 300%. 300% of your capital. I think it's going to take let me look at the 1 month time frame. I think it's going to take November, January what? January 2020. That's like so candle, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 bars. 339. No, 32 is 6, right? So it's going to take 6 months for 300%. There's a way of calculating these stuffs.
USD run has activated.
USD ZAR has activated. Let's check. I've not seen any notification. It hasn't. No, it hasn't. It hasn't. Mine hasn't activated.
Yeah, mine hasn't also.
I'm selling already though. I'm selling it and it's going well actually.
Which one?
I'm talking about the USSR. The candle is looking nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
the way US30 is going, we should be looking at GU. If GU should be buying, that means we should be looking for buying opportunities also in US30. But we're selling, so still looking. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, we just need the buy confirmation. So buy stocks on GU still. Nothing really interesting here. Though I'm hearing whose phone is that?
Cool.
But US30 did good. It did good. We just maybe, I don't know. I just wanted to get the full TP and I know that but let's see.
You should have secured partials though.
Against your rule, you know you should go 90p.
Nah, bruh. Don't you trust my US30? We are hitting full TP here. 36050. We are hitting full TP there. 120 points and I'm done. Now I said when I started, I said I want 100. So if it goes back to 100,
USD Zara triggered already.
Let me see. Yes, USD Zara triggered. Yes, someone called. What's up?
May the god of
serendipity, right?
Take us to our destination. The Muslims will say inshallah.
Inshallah, Allahu Akbar. Alright, we were lucky we didn't take the EU trade. Go to nothing interesting, right? If there's a breakout, we would see. Nothing interesting on gold.
I think I'll prefer itself for gold.
I'll prefer so, but look at.
I'm not praying for a breakout for it.
If it gets, I also would love a breakout. Trust me. If it breaks above, trust me, gold would be very bullish for the rest of the year. If it breaks out above this whole zone, there's a nice zone here. If it breaks out above this, I may even take a buy now. That means I'll be holding US30. So let's keep holding US30. USDs are activated. I think it's activated now. Wow, we waited 5 good days to take this trade. And yes, silver is also getting ready. So this is what we are going to do on silver too. Let's put buy stops here. And first time trading this pair. Ashi and is it Asante introduced me to this pair. Let me try it. Let's try this pair. Buy stops. Yeah, at 24 066 42. Come again. Buy stops there, and our TP will be somewhere here. Let's put the TP back here somewhere here, but well, let's put the TP here. So we just get maybe 300 pips or something. Guys, do like the video. Please do like the video.
Like and subscribe. The USs are doing the Lord's work. It's going really well.
TP at. So no one will update me on my US30. What is going on there?
Let's see 1 second.
I'm not feeling well in my heart. I think it's going up. if I have that feeling, I know that something is wrong somewhere. 87, right? Yeah, I just had that feeling. How did I not take 100 points there? So silver buy stops above. Where are we going to put our stop loss? Put stop loss. We are going to put a tight stop loss here on silver. Okay. I don't know this pair, so let's just risk a little for day one. I don't really know this pair. So let's see how it moves and Where we are going to put our stop loss. SL here at 23.88796. Okay. Right, so buy stops on silver. Lot size, I don't know how this pair would move with its lot size. Bitcoin pushing down. US30, I'm still holding US30. It's still in profits. So I don't know why you want to buy. Why you want to close or quit. USDs are in good profits.
In good
already.
profits, yeah.
Already. Beautiful. So buy stops on Solomon Shaman. USD looks healthy, very healthy, very, very healthy. We can't wait 5 days and no, it doesn't happen. That's not how God works.
I love that word.
That's not how God works.
Word.
You can't be far to come too far.
Pardon?
We have not come this far to come.
Yeah, we never came this far to
motivational speakers.
Let's motivate ourselves, Joe.
Very necessary.
Let's motivate ourselves. Most of the times you see me motivating people, but bro, sometimes I feel it myself. Like yesterday I fought this step index all right, so I'm still holding US30, guys. I'm still holding US30. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. Because gold is buying, and if gold breaks out, trust me, gold is bullish to 1810. And look at silver. We are taking the silver trade. So silver, buy stops here. Right, it may not get triggered here today. Wow, I love what USD ZAR is doing. I'm almost up $200 already. What's it doing?
It's going really well.
Wow.
Very, very well. Doing the Lord's work.
Doing the Lord's work. Hallelujah.
It's not really moving. There's not even 2% of what we were expecting. And it's moving this way. Maybe I used a big lot size. I don't know. Okay, it's still good. This is my first time trading this pair. So let's see.
Elvis, from that point of entry to the TP, how many pips is it?
80 pips.
Okay.
Or let me just check. Maybe I forgot, because this doesn't look like 80 pips.
It looks more than.
Yeah, it looks more than.
Yes, no.
It looks more than. So this units, this space in units. So this look like this is 5252. Okay, this like 145 pips. It wasn't 80. Because this small, yeah, it wasn't 80. So 145 pips on USD ZAR looks very, very, very healthy. Let's go back to gold. Gold buying. You now understand why we didn't take the sell.
Doc, I'm considering entering another position on it. What do you think?
On gold? No.
USD ZAR.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine. You can give to multiple. I just open one. I don't want Wahala.
I'm telling you.
I just open one because I have US30 running too. Kalamoji, what's up? Are you making money or you are losing money?
Should be printing money.
Okay. Can't talk then something. I say what? Can't talk then something. Are you?
We on the block 24/7. You know how we do. Like we trying to back the pips, Charlie. So basically, on the low, we coming out with a couple of. We can take the mic. Yeah, take the mic. Yo, what's up, wonderful people? I hope you guys can hear me and see me on the blog.
Loud and clear.
They can hear you.
Hey, it's like they can't hear me. I'm not feeling your vibes. Why?
I
Can hear you, can hear you.
Oh, Charlie, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening on the blog, Charlie?
Oh, we can't actually see you.
Are you
Just hearing your
telling Gary
voice.
now?
That's your man.
Oh, nah.
We can't see you. We can't see
You guys can't see me. Oh, this is me. Oh, Elvis is taking this one. Oh, this is me. Oh, Missy, I can't see myself. Oh, you guys can see me. Charlie, you're on the blog.
Start from
24/7. Charlie, see. Live from Russia. Charlie, this phone we are using there, the phone, that's where all the money is. So you guys shouldn't lose God, Charlie. The market is like that. They're going to take from you, but you need to come back harder. You see, the thing is, you go hard or you go home.
Motivational speaker.
We are coming
More
back
hard or you
with
still
more
go?
dope tunes, Charlie. Let's make more money now so that we can go to the studio and buy the studio and make more dope tunes for you guys, Charlie. So on the block, don't sleep, Charlie. Use the money, use the phone to make money, Charlie. Turn the phone into an ATM, Charlie.
We are downloading dollars.
Charlie, I'm not gonna lie, Charlie. So vibes.
$10, bro.
Kill the pips, Charlie. How far? How much made so far?
Catch you before you sleep.
Catch a pip before you sleep. Oh no, yeah, Charlie. Say I got money over my like you already know.
Hey. Please, can someone actually write down the trade for silver? I think I missed it.
All right, Silver. Let's go back to Silver. This guy's a real comedian. A real comedian.
Tell him to send us Ghana Jollof, please.
All right, Silver. Wow, we are rejecting our buy stop area. This is why sometimes you use buy stops and sell stops and whatever. So the buy stops were somewhere here. Yeah. This is why we use buy stops for a reason. Okay, we use buy stops for a reason. So that was the buy stops. It didn't get triggered. So buy stops at 24,066. You can take a picture or something.
Yeah, done already.
Great. USDs are back in, and I don't know what's wrong with this pair, or is it that this pair moves this way? Let's check gold. Something interesting is happening on gold. Looking like the sell would be. Let's see. Let's be patient on it. Yes.
Come back.
Let's wait on gold to something fishy or something funny is up. Let's look at GU. Whoa. Reason why we use buy stops, guys. No confirmations, no trading. Very simple. Reason why we use buy stops.
What about US30? Let's see.
Gold is selling right now. It's not really selling. GBP moves headed me. Is it headed or what's the past tense of heads? Is it headed? Heads. It's another hurt. So
hurt. Yeah.
Man, if you have money, no one they care about your English, Jari.
I swear. Let us speak anything.
GBP moves. He says GBP moves hurt me a lot. I was buying. No, bro, we weren't buying. That's why you are live trading with us. We went by. We're looking for buy stops. No confirmation, no trading. I almost went for a buy too, but my guys were like, "Yo, chill." USDs are in losses, minor losses. Don't shout like we are losing $55,000. It's just in losses, but it's a good trade. Trust me, this is going to be a good trade. It's a swing trade actually. This is going to be a very nice swing trade. Just retest here. There's a swing trade, 140 pips. It's not going to get triggered today. Right. Still holding US30 for some reason. It's going up again. Wow. But I should have really taken the 100 points. Still holding US30, still holding USD, ZAR, still holding buy stops on GU. So we'll be back on Forex and stocks, let's go to synthetics. Solomon Shamami says USDs are hit TP in 2 days. Looking at the momentum, yet it will take days, to take some days, not just today. All right, so let's talk about step index. I went. Is it almost 8 times without losing on this paper? But yesterday I lost. Lose some, win some. I always say this: lose some, win some. But make sure you are making more than you are losing. Now, what's the trend of this market? A downtrend, definitely. Great. You are now looking for selling opportunities. But why did the market buy? Now let me draw a trend line this way to explain something. Guys, kindly like the video. Kindly like the video. Do like the video, like the video, yes, and also share it. From next month, I hope we wouldn't be seeing 100, 150, 200 people. We'll be seeing 300, 400 people here. So look at this. This was the initial trend of the market. Now, what is this called? There's a term, or there's a way we call this market. This step index. Yes, this is what we call a false breakout. So yeah, I was seeing something like this, same thing on this on step index. You could see it's had a breakout and it was trying to retest this trend line again. If it had retested this trend line, it would have been a break and retest and goes up, or break and maybe a false breakout, then it would come back down here. But look at what happened here. It broke out and currently going up. Do you get it? Now, the reason why I went for that short was because I was seeing this kind of false break here. Another false break would go down, or maybe if it has broken out, it has to definitely retest before pushing up. And man, we got clapped. We got clapped real hard. All along I was buying. I was really we took a lot of buys here and we made a lot of profit. But here we got clapped. Now what am I looking out here on step index? Still, momentum hasn't changed. This is a breakout. This is currently a breakout. So it's either this market keeps on pushing up to this level, which would be some like 2,000 pips. This is a 1D chart. That's why the pips are going to be big. It's going to be like 2,000 pips, or we are either going to have a retest, then goes up, or a reversal, another false break here. So there's more into this, right? I currently posted a sell and which was going well, but I would jump out of that sell very soon. Then we'd see what would happen with this market. We'll see what will happen with this market.
I think ZAR is going back, but just little.
Yes, USD ZAR. Bitcoin is also pushing up, so I wouldn't be surprised if US30. Okay, yes, that's why US30 is also pushing up. Oh, so maybe we should have just taken 100 points. Back to entry. Let's focus on GU. What's GU doing? Is it buying? Or yes, no, it's not buying. It's still at. So these are trades that wouldn't get. They are all good trades. Trust me, they are all good trades. But they may not get triggered today. Gold still buying, right? So I told you guys I wasn't really sure about a sell today. And if gold is buying, US30 has to sell. I would maybe add one position on US30 now. Another one position. It's just on discount now. Let me see. Or maybe add one position because it's giving us discount. Now let's go to silver. What is silver doing? Someone is saying
just standing on you.
It's still in no confirmations, no trades. Yes, no confirmations, no trades. It's better you sit on the chart, not lose money, than to get into the chart and lose money. So these trades are going to take patience. Huge rejection where?
US oil. It's pushing it.
Okay, wow. God really is speaking to you guys. Wow, God is really speaking to you guys today. I remember I was going for some buys to this zone, and you guys said, no, don't go for buys, wait for the sell. Okay, you guys, okay, it makes sense. Now it's like you guys are saving me today. Which God did you pray to, or where did you sleep yesterday? All of you.
Yes, of God.
All right, so let's take this straight to sell limits, or we should just leave it and wait for tomorrow.
Let's just monitor it.
Let's just wait for it. I'll trade NFP with you guys tomorrow. All right, so silver may get triggered soon. I don't know. Silver may get triggered soon. May get triggered soon. I mean,
very, very soon.
And
let's watch this thing. Let's watch jump 10.
Okay,
it's a downtrend, a very good downtrend. So I got something on it today.
Hey, then you're a millionaire. The way you said I got something on, that's how millionaires talk.
Boss.
Wow.
So,
this 24 hours.
Whoa. Breakout. Yeah. Whoa. Then you had money. This a Bogota move.
That's Bogota stuff.
Bro, you're rich. It's had a
break. Bogota now.
Yeah, I said I'll watch this pay. I don't know. I forgot about it. I was also waiting for that breakout. This was a breakout. I was also waiting for this breakout.
Let me find that.
Wow. So it's done. I don't know what do you want us to look here? Buys.
Still going hard though.
I think it's done. Look.
No, that's missed entry already.
We've missed this entry.
Yeah, it's got into that support.
Yes, it's got into the support.
If you enter now, it means you are
cheap.
They will use you to make money back.
This is the real guys, man.
Let's see how many pips we could have made. Oh, 353 pips. Whoa.
Wow.
353 pips on derived men, like it's a lot. You've really made money. Alright, so let's see. I'll be looking for buying opportunities here, but at which time we'll see. So I think you should hop out of this trade. It's just done. You should hop out of this trade.
I'm out already.
Great. You should secure some profits. Buy egusi. Buy egusi.
Have you taken egusi before?
Pardon?
Have you taken egusi before?
Yes, I've taken egusi here before. I took it in Moscow. Very nice.
How was it?
Very nice.
When you come to Nigeria, I'll feed you Nigeria.
Hey.
I swear, nothing like that.
But it's just Gary mixed with isn't it Gary mixed with something and something?
No, leave Gary. No, leave Gary.
Melon.
It's Gary.
No, it's not Gary. It's melon. No, it's pure
melon, not Gary.
My guy. You still no trade, no entry, guys. US30 would sell. I'm really I don't know. Maybe it's ranging. Let's see. I had one position. I don't know. Because DXY is really going up. GU is selling. US30 has to be selling. It has to be selling.
No, Elvis, I think there's some. Don't use correlation to do. There's something wrong with it.
What's wrong with it? Because gold is buying. You can see gold is buying.
Yes, gold is buying. DXY is buying.
So that's the correlation that you need. And I knew gold has to, because this doesn't feel right. I told you guys this. Now what is happening here? Look at this. The reason why we didn't take any gold buys today was, big candle. What's happened again? There's another small candle. that should tell you that buyers are what? Losing momentum.
They are losing momentum.
So we are now waiting for another small candle, another little candle, then we can see a doji, then we will take the sales back to this trend line. If it breaks below, we'll take it back to this, and that's going to be a lot of money. A lot. Maybe that will happen NFP, who knows? Maybe that will happen NFP, who knows? US 30 sells. I open another position, man. Where is Maxwell going? Maxwell, are you in a school? USD Zara.
Yeah, so I'm in the school.
Oh, sorry.
My headmaster is giving me a lot of duties. Yeah.
Cane these children or cane them. Me, if I were a teacher, I would cane these children. I remember my French.
I don't shouldn't get them again.
My French teacher or tutor. This guy will be doing je suis, je m'appelle, aujourd'hui c'est la paix, and he will be beating me.
No. Beating us with French.
Beating us with French. Comment tu t'appelles? And if you can't say comment tu t'appelles,
Comment tu t'appelles?
I remember.
It's funny that all our private teachers are from Togo.
They were all from Togo. And Nigeria, your teacher was from Togo, yeah.
The French teachers they like girls.
Hey,
This guy.
maybe there may be a French teacher watching this live. Monsieur, I wasn't part of this convo.
I am part of it. Not first for French. What is French giving to me?
He has chosen violence.
I chose violence.
They will catch you.
All right.
Oh man, gold is on some steroid. Oh God.
Steroid on buy yourself.
Silver.
Steroid on buy.
And USD Zara. USD Zara.
That gold,
Trust me, USD Zara is a good trade. Man, we waited 5 days for it. Just be patient. Remember what happened on gold buys yesterday. Right? We were very patient and we got 200 pips.
Yeah, sweet one.
So it's all about us being patient. Trust me, guys. I'm still playing around entry. 140 points. Hey, 140 pips. I'm really used to saying this points.
To watch US30.
I don't want to watch it. Alright, so what someone is saying XPX 500. Okay, let's do check XPX 500. What's happening there? What is your bias? XPS 500.
I think it's a correlated pair with
US30, yeah. I don't like trading XPS nowadays. It's a bit slow for me, for a guy like me.
Yeah, Germany 30.
Germany 30 has also been misbehaving these days. Right. I think we should be looking for selling opportunities here. I don't know. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, was that why you got a fast car? Because you like fast stuff?
Maybe.
Nice.
For this guy,
I like fat girls. Fat girls too. Jonito gave me a fat girl. Jonito supplies me with women.
Don't mind him.
I'm saying this.
Don't mind him.
All right, that's a trade on silver buy stop. So we are still waiting, right? Euro card, we will take this trade maybe tomorrow, but tomorrow is NFP, guys. Look at all this, right? But we also have card news before NFP. That means we have card news at the same time as USD pairs, right? So that means we are going to trade US30. We're going to trade GU. We're going to trade USD card and gold. Yes, gold. I would love to trade gold.
Anticipating a sell for gold.
Yes, I'm also anticipating a sell for gold for tomorrow. And that means US30 maybe. I don't know. Let's see. So these are the 4 pairs that we are going to trade for NFP. Now NFP is going to be 12:30 GMT. That means we have to be here 30 minutes. NFP is normally the time that we start with the call, right? That means tomorrow we have to be a bit earlier, 30 minutes earlier, right? So tomorrow we'll meet 30 minutes earlier, and we are going to trade for just 30 minutes or 1 hour, approximately 1 hour, and we are out of here, right? We're going to trade for just 1 hour and we are out of here. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to trade NFP 30 minutes before time. So we are all going to be here 30 minutes before time. We trade NFP. You know how NFP works, very spikes up. We just get the vibes.
I'm saying, yeah, we may use all these buy stops.
Yes, buy stops and stuff, and we would just close. If we lose, we go into the weekend, but we are not going to lose, trust me. We're not going to lose. This week was really good, and market movements were really predictable. Really predictable. GU still selling. Nice. So we are still keeping the buy stops. We are still keeping the buy stop. Don't worry. I'm just waiting for US30 to sell. More. Right, so I'm still holding USD ZAR for tomorrow. I'm holding silver. I'm not in any gold trade. Like I said, this big candle, I wanted to go on sales here at this trend line, but trust me, this big candle wasn't really it, and you can see it's now breaking above. We could have gone for buys, but we weren't really sure, and it's always good. Market is always going to present you with what opportunities. Not opportunity not opportunity is that means that you should really enter the market, right? So I'll still be watching gold. If I see any signal, any setup, I would post, but I don't think I'll post any signal today, right? These are the signals that I've given to you guys. Tomorrow we will come here 30 minutes before. I will try and make some setups too, so that we just come, we just explain, we just catch the vibe, and I'll explain to you why I'm going for this bias. Then you guys will also tell me what you think. Then we would move to the next thing, right? So any questions?
Gold US30 and what GBP payout trading tomorrow?
We are trading gold. We are trading GBP USD, USD card, and we are trading gold US30, GBP USD, and USD card. USD ZAR we are still holding it, but I'm holding it not because of NFP. I'm holding it because of it's a good trade, right? So I'm still holding US30, guys. It's still in profits. So I'm still holding it, right? It's just testing our patience. I added one more position to it. TP for USD ZAR. And you can see how silver is also good. There's a TP for silver, right? There's a TP for silver. There's a TP for silver, and TP for USD ZAR. It's a good trade. It's a very good trade. USD ZAR.
USD ZAR TP is 14.65167.
Yes, 1.14.
65163.
163. Okay, that's a TP. Said Bello. All right, so guys, do you have any advice for traders here? Any advice? Anyone on the Zoom? Just 2 or 3 people. Any advice for us all? Right? What advice do you have, especially for beginners? Since you guys are already in trading, what advice do you have for beginners? Anyone?
Beginners want to become US30 legends, so
Precious.
I just want to emphasize also that not trading is actually trading. Because sometimes we just wait and see that yes, it's profits not even going into the trade.
Yes.
You learn from it as well.
Yeah.
Okay, the best advice I have for you is like trust your strategy. Because I remember there was a time me and Elvis we've gone at least almost 1 week losing streak, but the next week was still that same strategy, and the whole week was profit. So trust your strategy. Trust what you know. It's gonna make bread for you in life. Trust what you know.
Alright, so stick to one system. That's a very
And proper risk management too is very important.
proper risk management.
Very, very important. Like that's the main thing actually,
Proper risk management.
And trading is never easy. Now that in mind, trading is never easy.
You see,
As I always say,
it's demo accounts. They think it's easy. You see a common Nigerian, a common Ghanaian making $90,000. Hey, boss,
$90,000, like
$19,000. Hey, I'm not saying it's not possible. It's possible, but why deceive? Why, man?
No, like we know that person.
Like, yo.
Also, I think patience is very, very vital.
Very, very, bro. Very,
very
vital.
Yesterday, the gold trade taught you guys about patience.
Yes, about patience.
The gold buys.
I learned
Yes,
to
and it will also teach you to trust your setup.
Yes.
Too, like,
yeah, exactly.
I've been repeating the same thing, the same system, right? If I don't see any opportunity, I don't trade. If I think it's going to go this way, I still wait for confirmation. That is why most of the times I use buy limits, sell stops, buy limits, sell stops. You can learn from that.
Learn to take partials. Don't go to Elvis DM asking whether I should take partials or not. Take partials.
Well, last 2 days? Yesterday I said this. Someone made $900. The person was still asking me, should I take full profit? And I was like, yo, have you made $900 in a single day trading before? He was like, no. And I'm like, so what are you waiting for? Like, do you want me to tell you take profits before you do take profit? Like,
I think those ones don't need money.
Even sometimes before the TP hits, it has even hit their target for the day. But they will still
target
hold
for
it.
the day. Your target is 50. Your target is 100.
Very important. Very important.
Have a target.
Very important. Don't trade carelessly.
You're waiting for full TP.
Example. Don't trade carelessly. Have a trading plan for yourself. It's the way you grow. That's the only way you grow.
Right, so guys, you guys heard it all. Like the video. Tomorrow is NFP. We'll trade 30 minutes earlier. Right, I hope tomorrow goes well. Thank you, Desmond. It was fun with you. Tomorrow we are doing this again. We are trading NFP together. Right, you guys know how NFP moves. Right, so NFP Olusola, I hope to see you tomorrow. We are trading NFP together. Cephas, God bless. Michael, I hope to see you tomorrow for NFP. Precious, I hope to see you for NFP. Joe, my big bro, I hope to see you for NFP tomorrow. Maxwell, my guy, I hope to see you for NFP.
There's another Cephas that wants to block my shine.
Oh, don't worry.
Outcrop Cephas.
I'm not going to block you.
Change your name.
Change your name.
All right, Onyx, God bless you for coming through. Mr. King, God bless for coming through.
Hey, Mr. King.
Karim, God bless for coming through. Sophiso, God bless her for coming through. So I'll still send the same link to another link to you guys tomorrow. Remember, right, we are holding these trades for tomorrow. Right, we are holding silver, which would get triggered soon. We don't have time now. We have just 30 minutes today, so we are still holding silver. Buy stops. Take a screenshot. We are still holding US30. It went for 100 pips points. Someone tested me that I took my profit. It's good. I took my profit after 80 pips. Our 80 points. It's also good, but I'm still holding US30. And we are still. Which other trade? GU, right? We still have GU buy stops. Great. We still have GU buy stops. Yes, we still have GU. It could even take 4 days, 2 days to come back to hit our buy stops. Let's just keep it, right? So tomorrow
go down
we
steroid.
have yes, gold on steroids. I remember why we didn't take the gold sales. We were expecting sales today. If we are taking sales, we would have what? Lost money. But now we've been able to save money that's, money that we could have lost. Great.
Dr. Elvis.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Today I did not get the link. Tomorrow should I remind you or?
No, tomorrow I'll send it to you. I think maybe it escaped me.
Okay.
Nessa too tested me that she didn't get the link. Juliet from Nigeria, tomorrow we'll see you. Wow, great.
No, thanks, man.
And Saturday too, I'll be trading synthetics. Saturdays we'll be trading synthetics together, purely synthetics.
I'm waiting for that day, like nobody's.
Saturday we are just going to be trading straight synthetics. Right, so I'll be seeing like gold sales somewhere here, but I think it's going to happen on NFP. We are going to see about that. Gold sales maybe forming another lower high, lower low, lower high. But let's see tomorrow. We'll see about that tomorrow. And we are holding USD ZAR. That's a South African pair. This is my first time trading this pair. It looks very, very great, guys. Trust me, it looks very great. So we're expecting some 140 points pips. It's currently running, I don't know, around entry too. So we will see about that tomorrow. So we are holding all these trades for tomorrow. Remember, I told you that I'm still holding US30. I'll do give an update on the page, but it was really a good day, a good trading day. We learned a lot. We didn't lose any money. We protected our capital, and we still have funds for NFP tomorrow. Do like the video, do tag me on Instagram if you can. God bless everyone for joining. See you tomorrow, 30 minutes before this time. God bless everyone. Do like the video.
Take care, bro. Just take care.
Thanks, Elvis. Thank you.